Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you, everyone? I hope you all are fine. So, kids, as I told you in today's online session class, you all have to ready for the identification of letter Q and R with its at least 6 pictures. Okay, and I'm gonna ask to each and every student. Okay, kids. So, kids, today is our maths and English class. And what we are going to do today in maths, we are going to start the shape rectangle. Okay, and in English we are again going to do the practice of making letter R in our notebook. So kids, in maths today we are going to start the shape rectangle. Okay, so first of all you have to identify this is the shape rectangle. Okay, आप इसको learn the counting 51 to 60. Now today we are going to start the shape rectangle. Okay, we have learned the shape circle, square, triangle. Now we are going to learn the shape rectangle. Okay, so this is the shape rectangle. Okay, you can see this shape. This is rectangle. And how many sides do rectangle have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. ओके, लेकिन रेक्टेंगल में जो इनकी आमने सामने जो साइड्स होती हैं वो इक्वल होती है, मतलब उनकी जो हाइट है वो बराबर होती है. मतलब जैसे कि दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड ये दोनों इक्वल होंगी, इन दोनों की जो लेंथ है वो इक्वल होगी और इन दोनों जो साइड्स की लेंथ है वो इक्वल होगी. मतलब जो साइड्स एक दूसरे के आमने सामने होती हैं वो इक्वल होती हैं. ऑल 4 साइड्स इक्वल नहीं होती हैं. ओके, ये डिफरेंस होता है रेक्टेंगल में एंड स्क्वायर में. तो इसीलिए आपको रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर को दोनों बना के प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एंड देन आई विल मेक यू आइडेंटिफाई द शेप रेक्टेंगल. ओके, इन रेक्टेंगल द ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल, मतलब जो साइड्स एक दूसरे के आमने सामने हैं उनकी जो लेंथ है वो सेम होती है. और इन स्क्वायर ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट सम ऑब्जेक्ट्स व्हिच आर रिलेटेड टू रेक्टेंगल शेप. और आप बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स अपने घर पर ही ढूंढ सकते हैं. ओके ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम हैविंग. ओके, so let's identify the shape rectangle with its some objects. And what I am having, I am having the students favorite chocolate. Yes, this is a new chocolate, Crispy-Lo, my favorite. Okay, so this chocolate is of rectangle shape. Okay, and what else I am having, I am having the ice tray. This is also of rectangle shape. And yes, ये सबके घर में होता है मोबाइल. इट इज ऑल्सो ऑफ रेक्टेंगल शेप. ओके, एंड आई एम हैविंग दिस पेंसिल पाउच. दिस इज ऑल्सो ऑफ रेक्टेंगल शेप. ओके, एंड यस, द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन विच वी आर डूइंग द वर्क, द नोटबुक, इट इज ऑल्सो ऑफ रेक्टेंगल शेप. ओके, एंड यस, द बुक, इट इज ऑल्सो ऑफ rectangle shape. Okay, so you can find out the so many objects of rectangle shape at your home. So in the next online session class we are going to do this only. You people have to collect some the shape of rectangle shape objects and tell me. Okay, आपको कुछ objects collect करके रखने हैं अपने पास और मुझे बताना है कि मैम these are of rectangle shape, or at least you all have to find out 5 objects of rectangle shape. Okay, see, this is the envelope. This is also of rectangle shape. Okay kids, so you can also find out the objects at your home which are of rectangle shape. Okay, so kids, now let's do the practice of making rectangle shape in your notebook. Okay, so let's take out the math notebook, everyone. So kids, here we are going to do the practice of making rectangle shape. Okay, अब इसमें आपको कैसे शेप्स बनाना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको कि स्क्वायर शेप कैसा होता है. देखिए, स्क्वायर शेप में 1 2 3 बॉक्स. ओके, 1 2 3 बॉक्स, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. जो all 4 sides हैं उनमें 3 बॉक्स हैं, isn't it? That's why its all sides are equal. I can show you. Wait. See here, all the sides having 3 box. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3. That's why its all sides are equal. Now let's see the shape rectangle. So in this shape, now we will count the box this side. Okay. Now you can see here. Now I will count the box this side. Okay, 1 2 3 4. देखिए मैंने dots लगाए हैं इधर. You can see here I have put the dot and here I have. So first of all we will make the shape rectangle, then I will count the boxes. Okay, so let's draw the line. go कोशिश कीजिए लाइन से टच करके बनाएं. देखिए मैम का भी थोड़ा सा हुआ है बट इट्स ओके. बच्चों को डॉट्स दीजिए बनाने से पहले, सो दैट दे कैन मेक द शेप इजली. ओके, so this is the shape rectangle and this is square. Now I will show you the sides of rectangle. So let's count 1 2 3 4. This side 4 box and here 1 2 3 4. Here also 4 boxes. Now let's count the box which are on this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ओके, यहाँ पर 4 बॉक्स नहीं है, जैसे कि स्क्वायर शेप में हर जगह 3 बॉक्स थे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. सो यू कैन सी this side and this side is equal, this side and this side is equal. So the sides of rectangle are equal which are of opposites. Okay, the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Okay kids, now you can color it and make it eyes and all. Make the eyes of the rectangle shape so it will look nicer, and the big smiley face. Okay, so parents kindly give the dots to the kids so they can make the rectangle shape by themselves. I have made the legs, so you can see my rectangle shape. I have made it their eyes and smiley face. You can also prepare it, okay, and color it as you want. So kids, my rectangle shape is ready. Okay, and parents आप उनको dots दीजिएगा तो the students can draw by themselves. Okay, and this is the shape square. Just I have made to make you identify the difference between the rectangle and the square. Okay kids, now let's move on to the class. So kids, we have done the practice of making rectangle shape. आप सब भी try कीजिएगा. Just parents just give them dots, they will make by themselves. Okay, और मुझे वीडियो भेजना है आपको. Okay, while making the shape rectangle, you all have to send me the videos that I want to see how you are making the rectangle shape. Okay kids, okay, now it's time for starting the class of English. Okay, and in English, as I told you, today I am going to show you some more pictures related to letter R. Okay, बहुत सारी pictures हैं R से related. So now let's see the more pictures related to letter R. Look at this video. So kids, as I told you, today we're gonna learn some more pictures which are related to letter R. Okay, so we have learned already these pictures. R for rabbit, R for rainbow, R for rat, and R for rain. Now let's move on to learn some more pictures. Yes, R for color red, R for rain, R for rhino, R for rake, R for rocket, R for rose, and some more pictures. Let's revise them one more time. R for red color, R for rain, R for rhino, R for rake, R for rocket, R for rose. Now let's learn some more picture. Yes, today only we have learned the shape rectangle. So R for rectangle. Yes. R for river. R for ribbon. R for radish. Okay, so we have learned so many pictures which are related to letter R. R for radish. R for ribbon. R for river. R for shape rectangle. R for color red. R for rain, rhino, rake, rocket and rose. Okay, so इनमें से हम 6 pictures तो learn कर ही सकते हैं. Okay kids, now let's move on to the class. So kids, you have seen that so many pictures are there related with letter R. Okay, so you can learn any 6 pictures as you want. Okay kids, now we are going to do the practice of making letter R in our notebook. Okay, so all of you take out your red notebook everyone. So kids, before start the practice of making letter R, let's identify the letter Q and R with its some pictures. You can see here I have drawn so many pictures randomly here and there. Okay, so now we will identify the pictures which are related to letter Q and letter R. So let's find out the pictures which are related to letter Q. Okay, see, so many pictures are there. So let's find out the pictures which are related to letter Q. So Q for river? No. Q for rainbow? No. Q for quail? Yes, so match it with picture quail. And Q for question mark? And Q for queen. And one more picture is there, Q for? Yes, Q for quailed. Okay, so these are the 4 pictures which are related to letter Q. Now let's identify the pictures which are related to letter R. Okay, so R for, yes, R for rat. So you just only have to draw the pictures, rest of the things should be done by kids only. Okay, so R for, yes, R for river, yes, R for river, river मतलब सबको मालूम है नदी. Okay, and yes, R for rainbow. Okay, and is there any picture left? Yes, R for radish. Okay, so these are the pictures which are related to letter Q and R, and I have used 2 different colors to match with their pictures. Okay kids, now we will do the practice of making letter R. Now let's move on. So kids, let's start the practice of making letter R in our English notebook. Okay, so as I told you, this is where we have to make R in these 2 lines. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Start from this baseline, go up, okay, like this, and then आपने ये जो एंड पॉइंट है इसको थोड़ा सा कर्व्ड रखना है. फिर इसको कर्व रखने के बाद मूव इट इनसाइड एंड गो अप, मूव इनसाइड एंड आउटसाइड एंड अप. ओके, उसके बाद में शेप लाइक सी. ओके, अगेन विल शो यू. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस बेस लाइन, गो अप, मूव, गो अप एंड सी. अगेन अप, गो इनसाइड, फिर लूप लेकर आपको बाहर आना है. गो अप देन सी. ओके, अप, इनसाइड, आउटसाइड एंड देन सी. ओके, this is how you have to make R, and while making this you have to decide the pictures related to letter R. R for rose, R for rabbit, R for rainbow, R for rainy season, R for radish, R for raincoat. R for ribbon. R for river. R for rhinoceros, and R for rat. Okay, so this is how you all have to do the practice of making letter R in your English notebook. Okay kids? So kids, we have done the practice of making letter R. Okay, so this is your homework, that you have to do the practice of making letter R in your English notebook and do practice of making rectangle shape in your math notebook. This is your homework for today's class, and you all know today's online session homework that what you have to do. Okay, so we'll see you in the online session class, and yes, you all have to send me the videos of making rectangle shape. Okay kids? So kids, see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.